And Lifetrons is the company that makes all kinds of beautiful beauty devices and stuff. I will be trying out one of their devices for you guys so you can check it out. This is Lifetrons Beauty Switzerland. It's an ultra cleanser. Look at that. This is an ultra cleanser, and it has iron and EMS technology in it. So we're going to open this up and check it out. I really like it. Really like it. So check it out. I like how soft it is. It's not everywhere. It's just, you just clutch it. It's nice. This stuff is water resistant, you guys. So gotta turn it on. Turn it on. They cleansing my face. So let me use some baby lotion. On my skin. Alright, this part of it right here, it delivers whatever like serum or lotion you put on your face. When you turn it on, you put, just massages the skin. So this part cleanses, and this part make sure it's like it has the technology to lift up, give you a natural facial lift. Not facial, it firms your skin naturally. I'm done. It's rinsed up. This is water resistant, so you don't have to worry about it getting soaked up and bad. It's water resistant. Okay guys, make sure you check them out and let them know I sent you. Check the link in the description box below for how to purchase one of these. This is awesome. I like it because my skin feels very soft and firm. Check it out and let them know I sent you.